Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. When Shibarium comes out, the price of Shiba Inu will go up 10 times overnight to $1. Shiba Inu News Today Ryoshi, who made Shiba Inu coin, came up with the idea for Shibarium, which is an L2 answer blockchain. Shibarium is not a Shiba Inu blockchain, so keep that in mind. It is connected to Ethereum and always will be. One of the key goals is to get users of the Shiba ecosystem to pay less for transactions. The launch of Shibarium will cause the price of Shiba Inus to jump overnight and bring in new buyers. In this movie, we'll talk about when Shibarium will be released. Shiba Inu will drop 10 times to 10 cents in one night. Shiba Inu News Today. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Let's look and see what Shiba Inu is up to. Shiba Inu has dropped by 6.4% in the last 24 hours, which happened on September 27. SHIB's drop over the past 24 hours adds to the heavy selling pressure that has caused it to lose 19% of its value in the past month. SHIB was worth 1,124 cents at the time. Shiba Inu's price seems to be affected by the sour mood, which is sending it to new lows. In the last 24 hours, $433 million worth of SHIB has changed hands, bringing its market cap down to $6.63 billion. A few months ago, SHIB fell out of the top 10 list of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It is now the 12th largest cryptocurrency. According to this measure, SHIB had a huge bull run at the end of last year and hit a new all-time high. Since then, though, it has gone down by 86%. In the past few weeks, it's been hard for SHIB to find a safe place in the market because it's been as unstable as the rest of the cryptocurrency market. But after the meme coin managed to stay above 10 cents, things seem to be looking up. The price of SHIB has been above the 10 cent support level for about 2 months. It went above this mark at the end of July, which caused it to go up by more than 50%. It kept the market going up for a while before buyers came in. Mid-September proved that the SHIB was going down. If the current downward trend keeps going, the price of SHIB will drop below 10 cents and test support at 93 cents and 83 cents. Even though such a drop might look bad in the short term, buyers who jump in to buy meme coins at low prices could start a long-term bull trend. The moving average convergence-divergence line is at the signal line, which shows that bulls and bears are fighting for control. With a score of 46 on the relative strength index, it's clear that the bullish mood is fading as selling pressure keeps going. So, SHIB could keep dealing for the short term in the red zone. But the RSI could also show that the trend is about to change. In this case, SHIB could skip to 12 cents and 15 cents to test the next resistance. But this jump could also depend on support from the market as a whole and good changes in the environment. Large wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain have bought more than 855 billion Shiba Inu coins in the last 3 days. Based on data from Whale Stats, a big buildup of Shiba Inus by whales is a sign that the rising trend in SHIB is about to change. Over 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens have been bought by the top 100 whales on the Ethereum blockchain. Large wallet investors have moved 4.35 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which is interesting because a shift in the trend usually happens when large wallet investors buy a lot of Shiba Inus or when a huge number of tokens change hands. Whales on the Ethereum network buy Shiba Inu coins through dApps. Local peaks in the price of Shiba Inu happen when there is a lot of whale activity. So, supporters see the gathering phase as a good sign for Shiba Inu holders. SHIB Burn, a Shiba Inu burn tracker, showed that 76.4 million SHIB tokens have been taken out of circulation for good. These tokens have been sent to banks that no longer exist, which is the same as destroying them. Tony M., a technical expert at FX Street, thinks that Shiba Inu's price will rise to 13.94 cents. The expert says that the price of Shiba Inu has been going down over the past week. The period's random pullbacks show that Shiba Inu's decline is weak and that there is a chance of a positive trend turning around. The expert thinks that the bullish trend for Shiba Inus will end if bulls fail to defend the 880 cents level as support. If the price of Shiba Inus goes below this level, it will probably keep going down until it hits 738 cents. Even though the burn rate went up, it was still not enough to burn more than 10.4 billion shib, which is equal to $115,000. Based on statistics from CryptoQuant, net deposits on exchanges were also high compared to the average of the past 7 days. This could mean that there is more pressure on the market to sell. One of the big reasons the price kept going down was that it worked so well with the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Experts now say that this will send the price of Shiba Inus to the moon, and they hope that their partnership with TF will help them come up with and develop world-class designs. On the other hand, while the Shiba Inu environment keeps adding to its SHIB roadmap, some of its projects will have to use Shibarium. With the suggested Layer 2 solution, there will be a lot of good things. Shibarium can solve the problem by doing more than just dropping the transaction fee. It can also do this by raising the gas fee for ships. Developers are already working on this problem, but Shibarium would make their jobs easy. It also said that the Shibarium burning process would help investors get rid of the over 549 trillion SHIB tokens that are floating around and waiting to be burned. Shiba Inu is probably ready to climb as soon as Shibarium is released, since the burn rate has already been raised to 408%. One of Shiba Inu's local tokens, BONE, went up by 20% on Friday, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. The price of BONEs keeps going up as more and more investors buy the token as the date of the Shibarium public beta testnet start approaches. If nothing changes, testnet should go live by the end of this month. The token's price hit a high of $1.77 earlier this week, and it has gone up by 87% in the last 30 days. So, people who put in BONE last month have seen their money grow by almost twice as much. Since July 2022, the price of BONEs has been going up. In less than a month, it went from $0.48 to $1.10. As of Thursday afternoon, the latest CoinGecko report shows that the price of BONEs is still going up. If it can keep going in this direction, it could be worth $2 by the end of next week. Over the past 3 months, BONE's price has doubled, giving buyers a huge return on their money. Still, we don't know when the Shibarium network will start up for sure. The team only said this month would be the start date. It makes sense that buyers are buying more BONE tokens in order to get a head start on the market before Shibarium goes live. Investors think that the price of BONEs could keep going up because the token could be used in the Shibarium network. So, if the price went up, these buyers would get more money back. Based on what we know now, more people will want to buy BONE until the team says when the Layer 2 network will go live. According to the most recent information, BONE is trading at $1.37 right now and has gone up 10.9% in the last 24 hours. But it is still 91.3% below its highest price, which was $15.50 in July 2021.